YTSearch AI Review. 7 crucial things you need to know. Best just released AI software. If you're looking for the best just released AI software to help you search and discover content on YouTube more effectively, YTSearch AI is a game changer. But before you jump in, there are a few critical things you need to know about this tool, and I'm going to break it all down for you in this video. By the end, you'll know exactly how YTSearch AI can elevate your content strategy, and I'll show you where you can try it for free. Stay tuned, because what I have to share could seriously change the way you approach YouTube and AI tools. YTSearch AI is an AI-driven software that's specifically designed to help you discover trending topics, optimize your content, and boost engagement on YouTube. One of the key features of this software is its ability to use AI to analyze YouTube's vast ecosystem of videos and pinpoint what's trending right now, based on user behavior and search patterns. This means you can tailor your content and optimize your strategy without spending hours doing manual research. It's important to note that YTSearch AI doesn't just give you vague insights. It provides data-driven recommendations on keywords, video titles, and even descriptions. This is a big deal because it takes the guesswork out of the equation, allowing you to create content that aligns with what your audience is actually searching for. This is one of the major advantages of YTSearch AI. It's a precise tool, not just an overhyped software promising results with no substance. Another standout feature of YTSearch AI is its ability to provide deep competitor analysis. The software allows you to see what keywords your competitors are ranking for, how their videos are performing, and even what topics they're covering. If you've ever wondered how successful YouTubers get ahead, YTSearch AI takes the mystery out of it. It gives you all the insights you need to stay one step ahead of the competition. What I really love about YTSearch AI is its simplicity. It's built for creators who don't have time to waste. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. You don't have to be an AI expert to understand how it works. Just plug in your niche or desired keywords, and the software will generate the most relevant search data, making it super easy to optimize your YouTube strategy. Now let's talk about one of the most important aspects of YTSearch AI. It's AI-powered suggestions. The software uses sophisticated algorithms to suggest video topics and keyword combinations that have the highest potential for reaching a broader audience. It doesn't just look at broad search volume, but factors in competition, viewer intent, and other metrics that make a huge difference in how well your videos perform. And here's something that really sets YTSearch AI apart from other software: the ability to track performance in real time. Once your video is live, YTSearch AI continuously monitors its performance, providing insights on how well it's doing and what adjustments you can make to improve. It's not just a one-time use tool, it evolves with your content, ensuring you can always optimize for better results. Before I wrap up, let me remind you that you can try YTSearch AI completely for free using the first link below. This is a fantastic opportunity to experience the power of this software firsthand without any commitments. I highly recommend giving it a try, especially if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel. Lastly, if you're into AI tools and want to know which ones I recommend, check out the list of AI software in the description. After trying thousands of tools, I've narrowed it down to the ones that are truly worth your time. So don't miss out on those. YTSearch AI has the potential to revolutionize how you approach YouTube and content creation. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, this tool can give you the edge you need to stand out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the free trial linked below.